Welcome back to Planet Snaps. Physics has officially left the building today. Because today we are looking at J1407b, the planet that makes Saturn look like a joke.
Imagine a planet with rings so massive they span over 120 million kilometers.
That's nearly the distance from the Earth to the Sun. Absolutely mind-blowing scale.
If this planet replaced Saturn in our solar system, its rings would be visible from Earth.
They would look bigger than the full moon in our night sky. A terrifyingly beautiful sight.
It's not just a planet, it's a cosmic skyscraper with a 120 million kilometer wide path.
But why is it so extra? According to our textbooks, rings like these shouldn't be stable.
It's like a massive coding error in the universe's physics engine. A total glitch.
J1407b is basically a giant gas giant that decided Saturn was too basic.
So it built a megastructure that defies all logic. It's a literal glitch in the design.
NASA scientists call it a super Saturn, but I call it a cosmic flex. These rings are so dense and wide that they have massive gaps where moons are being born.
It's a chaotic, spinning factory of ice and rock. A celestial construction site.
If you tried to fly a spaceship through these, you'd be shredded into digital dust instantly.
Before you could even say, Houston, we have a problem, you're gone. The gravity required to hold these rings in place is insane. It shouldn't exist.
Yet here it is, mocking every astronomer on Earth. A giant middle finger to physics.
Is it a natural anomaly? Or did some advanced alien civilization build a solar array?
Some theorists think these aren't just rings. They're part of a massive, unfinished Dyson sphere.
Or maybe the creator of this simulation just got lazy and hit the scale button.
If you stood on the surface of one of its moons, the sky wouldn't be blue.
It would be dominated by massive, glowing golden arches stretching across the entire horizon.
It would be the most beautiful and terrifying sight in the whole galaxy.
But don't get too comfortable. The radiation would turn your bones into jelly in seconds.
J1407b is a reminder that the universe doesn't care about our laws.
It's aggressive, it's oversized, and it's beautifully broken. A cosmic rebel.
We are living in a glitched simulation where even planets are trying to outflex each other. So, next time you look at Saturn and think it's special, remember the Super Saturn.
It's bigger, it's badder, and it's officially illegal. A total physics outlaw.
Subscribe to Planet Snap site now. Before the simulation deletes your access.
Stay curious, stay savage, and don't get caught in the rings. I'll see you in the next breakdown of reality. Peace out.